Welcome to Wonderful Home Design.
Welcome to the world of epoxy resin tables, where nature's beauty meets modern craftsmanship. Today, we dive into the enchanting allure of these unique creations. Creating an epoxy resin table is more than just assembling materials. It's an art form. Each piece starts with meticulously selected wood, often showcasing natural imperfections like knots and grains, which are accentuated by the vibrant colors of epoxy resin. Artisans carefully mix resin colors, incorporating pigments, metallics, and even natural elements like flowers or stones. The result is a one-of-a-kind tabletop that tells its own story. The visual appeal of epoxy resin tables is undeniable. With their glass-like finish, these surfaces reflect light beautifully, bringing warmth and depth to any room. Transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones. Epoxy resin tables can fit into any aesthetic, from rustic to modern, industrial to coastal. Beyond beauty, epoxy resin tables offer durability. Resistant to spills, stains, and scratches, they are practical choices for homes, making them as functional as they are beautiful. Designed for everyday use, these tables are made to withstand the test of time, providing both style and substance. One of the most exciting aspects of epoxy resin tables is the possibility for customization. From size to shape, color to embedded materials, each table can be a reflection of individual taste. From their stunning visual appeal to unmatched durability and endless customization options, epoxy resin tables are truly a celebration of beauty and function. They are not just furniture, they're a centerpiece for connection, creativity, and memories. An epoxy resin table is a stunning piece of furniture that blends natural wood with vibrant, glass-like epoxy resin, creating a unique and eye-catching centerpiece for any space. Each table is handcrafted, highlighting the intricate patterns and textures of the wood, while the resin fills voids and enhances its beauty with rich colors and shimmer. This fusion not only results in a visually striking design but also ensures exceptional durability, making epoxy resin tables resistant to scratches, spills, and daily wear. Whether used in a modern loft or a rustic cabin, these tables offer a perfect combination of artistry and functionality, transforming any room into an inviting and aesthetically pleasing environment. Epoxy resin tables have surged in popularity due to their extraordinary versatility and customization options. Each piece can be tailored to reflect individual tastes, allowing artisans to incorporate various colors, textures, and even organic materials like flowers or stones within the resin. This level of personalization means that no two tables are alike, making them truly one-of-a-kind statement pieces. Additionally, their striking appearance complements a wide range of interior styles, from contemporary to vintage, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication. As both a conversation starter and a functional surface, epoxy resin tables not only enhance the aesthetics of a room but also embody the perfect blend of nature and artistry, making them cherished additions to any home.
Don't forget to subscribe to Wonderful Home Design channel. Press like. Thank you for watching.
If you like the video, click like and we will be honored by subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.